Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Umaasa si Vice President Sara Duterte na mabubuo na ang defense team ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa International Criminal Court bago siya umuwi ng Pilipinas. Sa gitna po ng kanilang sitwasyon, may ipinagpapasalamat ang bise kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Mula sa The Hague, Netherlands, ang mainit na balita hatid ni Mariz Umali.
This really is ironic, but I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives.
Sinabi yan ni Vice President Sara Duterte matapos niyang bisitahin kahapon ang ama sa Scheveningen Prison ng International Criminal Court dahil hindi raw sila maaaring makapag-usap ng tungkol sa kaso ng ama o anumang legal na hakbang na kanilang isasagawa. Nagkakaroon daw sila ngayon ng ama ng mas maraming panahon para makapag-bonding.
We have a relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore. Sad lang that it has to happen inside the ICC, inside the detention. But yes, thank you.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, sabay-sabay silang bumisita ng kapatid na si Veronica at ni Hanilet Avancenia, ang common law partner ng dating Pangulo.
I was updating him with the situation with our families and is happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, and that we are continuing to pray for him. And ayun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
Ayon pa kay Vice President Duterte, nais talaga ng ama na makabalik sa Pilipinas. Pero ayon sa ICC, kung nais ng nakakulong na pansamantalang mapalaya sa isang bansa, dapat handa ang bansang iyon na sundin ang mga kondisyon ng ICC gaya ng walang risk of flight, risk of interference ng mga saksi sa ebidensya, at pangatlo, risk of continuing crimes.
Wala naman po kaming hinihingi sa palace. The administration has to think about what their next steps are. So, they should not ask the family, they should not ask the Filipino people on what their next steps are with regard to the talk on the return of former President Duterte to the Philippines.
Umaasa naman si Vice President Duterte na mabubuo na ang defense team ng dating Pangulo. May hinihintay na lang daw siyang dokumento.
I'm just waiting for one more document and then tapos na yung trabaho ko dito. Yan na lang yung inaantay, yung document na yan, tapos pwede na akong umuwi. So, hopefully, before I leave, that team is already complete. But at the moment, no, it's not complete.
Mula rito sa The Hague, Netherlands, Mariz Umali nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.